दाऊदी बोहरा समुदाय और दीपाल्या ने मिलकर आज नई दिल्ली स्थित गरीबी बस्ती संजय कॉलोनी में जरूरतमंद बच्चों के लिए प्रोजेक्ट राइज अर्ली चाइल्डहुड केयर एंड डेवलपमेंट सेंटर की शुरुआत करने की घोषणा की। इसका उद्देश्य है वंचित बच्चों को पोषण और स्वास्थ्य संबंधी सहायताओं के साथ साथ शिक्षा और कौशल प्रदान करना है। प्रोजेक्ट राइज प्रोग्राम की पहली दाऊदी बोहरा द्वारा की गई है। इस प्रोग्राम के तहत हर वर्ष 2 से लेकर 6 वर्ष तक की उम्र के लगभग 100 बच्चों का समर्थन किया जाएगा जिनके माता पिता आसपास के कारखानों और निर्माण स्थलों पर मजदूरी का काम करते हैं। इस पहल के बारे में विस्तार से बताते हुए डॉक्टर जॉर्ज जॉन CEO दीपाल्या ने कहा, यदि अध्ययनों की माने तो 5 वर्ष से कम उम्र के अधिकतर बच्चे जीवन की मूलभूत आवश्यकताओं से वंचित रह जाते हैं, जिनमें शिक्षा के अवसरों की कमी, पोषण संबंधी कमियां और स्वास्थ्य संबंधी समस्याएं शामिल हैं। यह कहीं न कहीं बाल विकास पर गहरा असर डालता है। इसकी संवेदनशीलता को समझते हुए हमने दाऊदी बोहरा समुदाय के साथ मिलकर नई दिल्ली स्थित संजय कॉलोनी में अर्ली चाइल्डहुड केयर एंड डेवलपमेंट सेंटर की शुरुआत की है। यह सेंटर न सिर्फ जरूरतमंद बच्चों को सकल मोटिव कौशल और कार्यात्मक साक्षरता प्रदान करेगा, बल्कि उन्हें 6 साल की उम्र तक स्कूली शिक्षा में शामिल होने के लिए तैयार भी करेगा। जॉन ने आगे कहा, इस पहल के तहत अब तक 54 बच्चों की पहचान की जा चुकी है। इसके साथ ही सेंटर में उनका नामांकन कर लिया गया है। इसमें शिक्षकों और सहायक कर्मचारियों की नियुक्ति भी शामिल है। समग्र विकास के रूप में यह सेंटर बच्चों के पोषण और बुनियादी स्वास्थ्य जरूरतों पर ध्यान रखने के लिए श्री प्रतिबद्ध है।
In New Delhi, I am honored to be amongst you all at the inauguration of Project Rise Early Childhood Care and Development Center. My sincere gratitude to all our friends from the media fraternity for joining us for this conference. I would also like to thank Dr. George John, CEO of Deepalaya, alongside other members from his team for hosting us, and senior officials from Dawoodi Bohra community. The head of the worldwide Dawoodi Bohra community, His Holiness Dr. Sayyidna Mufaddal Saifuddin, lays great emphasis on the need to show kindness and care to the less privileged people in society, especially women and children. Sayyidna Saifuddin has often stated that those in need and those who come to their aid both rise as a result of helping one another. With this guidance in mind, Dawoodi Bohra community have established numerous social programs all over the world targeted at improving and uplifting human conditions. Our partnership with Deepalaya to initiate Project Rise Early Childhood Care and Development Center to support underprivileged children is a critical step in that direction.
Thank you everybody for being here. We as a community are privileged that we are part of this project. The Dawoodi Bohra community in Delhi is a small community, but under Project Rise we take initiatives worldwide, and therefore we here in Delhi also take the initiative. I would just like to point out what is rise, and it comes from sunrise. And our His Holiness has always ensured that we focus on rise, as sun puts its rays on every individual, every organism on this earth. Similarly, the rise that we are looking at is for upliftment of everybody at large. Rising the community and along with them rising ourselves is the basic motto behind Project Rise. Under this project, we visited Deepalaya multiple times, evaluated thoroughly, and we really found that we have a synergy between what they are trying to do and what we are trying to achieve through Project Rise.
Use the director programs from Deepalaya. As Dr. George rightly pointed out, we are to start the Early Childhood Care and Development Center at the Y block of Sanjay Colony, which is an urban slum community located in the middle of the capital for the country. Before I do that, I'd like to also speak about what Deepalaya as an organization has been doing. So for the past 43 years now, Deepalaya has been working actively for child welfare and holistic child development through mediums of education and associated too. So when I say associated, it's also a lot of healthcare that we are focusing on. Nutrition is also one part of it. We are doing constant vocational training, livelihood generation, income generation activities for the families of these children, because they'll have a trickle-down effect directly. If the family is benefited out of some program, children are at the receiving end, and a major benefit is going to come to them. So Deepalaya has been taking all those proactively since the past 43 years. And with this project, it's by the name of Project Rise, which of course Rise means we all understand the literal meaning of rise. And we'll try to work towards so that we all rise together, not just as individual organizations and as geographies, but also as a nation. We all can rise together and contribute towards national development. Because it is a very famous saying that children are the future for any country. So we are starting early with them. This whole project, the entire intent to start this project with these children was for the preschool group. Why so? Because early childhood years are the most primitive years in anybody's life.
Through the funding of this program and the joint efforts of a wonderful community, the Dawoodi Bohra community, and Deepalaya, which is an NGO, Delhi-based NGO, 43-year-old NGO, working for the underprivileged children. So we are privileged and we are happy to be launching this program, Care for the Preschool Children, and this is located in the Sanjay Colony slum. As most of us know, children who go to formal schools receive a basic amount of care, but there is a segment of children who are left out of this, the preschool, the creche, or whatever you may call it. Now these opportunities are available for the privileged children, but underprivileged children do not get enough of these opportunities. Especially in the slums, there is very little care for the children who have not yet started to go to school. So Deepalaya in its own humble way is trying to make a difference in the lives of these children. So the project Rise Early Childhood, located in the Sanjay Colony slum, will hopefully make a meaningful impact in the lives of the children. We hope to cover about 100 children. We have an enrollment of about 54 or 55 as on date, and I'm sure that the staff and the social mobilizers will do a great job in communicating the message of this program so that we have 100 children coming to these programs. So we are happy to say that we are partnering with Dawoodi Bohra community. I'm sure that this project will have a meaningful impact, and we would request our reporter friends, our friends from the press and the media, whenever you happen to pass by Sanjay Colony, please make it a point to have a glimpse at this project site in the white block